KHUSH Patel, and today in this video we will discuss LeetCode problem number 168 Excel sheet column title. So basically, if you have used Excel or Google Sheets, you have seen that each column has title. It starts from character A, B, C, D, and when it ends with Z, it again starts with A, B, A, C, and so on. So basically, here we will given a number. So that number will represent which column number is that. So we have to give that column title accordingly. So here is the problem. Given an integer column number, return its corresponding column title as it appears in an Excel sheet. So here is the examples. A for 1, B for 2, Z for 26, A for 27, AB for 28. Let's try to solve that. So here we can see uh, we have to return in string, and we are given column number integer. So let's first make character for return type. Okay, so I will try to make a loop. So basically, that in that loop, in the answer, I will try to return a character plus whatever comes next. So let's say if column number says 3, so I will minus it once, so it becomes 2. So A plus 2 becomes C. So that will be the title of that column. So let's try to implement that. Okay. So here I am trying to, just as I said, I will first minus 1 in the column number, then I will get its remaining numbers that I will save in RAM, and I will plus it in A. I have added plus here because if let's say its number is 28, then in first loop A will be saved in answer, and then in next loop a plus 2, which is AB, will be saved in answer. So for second loop to begin, I have to uh, minus the number 2. So for that, I will do divide by 26. Okay, so in the last, if if number is greater than 26, then I'll have to check if number is not reversed. So in this formula, because I am using plus directly, so if number is 28, it will return BA. But I don't want that. I want A character first. So I will reverse that. So let's put reverse formula. So this will reverse ANS. So let's try to run it first and test the example cases. Uh, so here is, okay, it's a character. Answer is not a character, it's a string. Problem. Okay, I have not declared the RAM. Okay, so all the example cases are passed. Let's try to submit it and check the all edge cases and check its okay. So our solution is submitted. So its time complexity is O of log n. So it and its space complexity will be O of 1 because we have only used one character. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.